From side hustle to full-time boss in 2025, your ultimate blueprint for success. Master the transition, build, balance, and thrive as your own boss in 2025. Ready to turn your side hustle into a full-time business in 2025? This video is your ultimate guide to making the leap from employee to entrepreneur. We will cover the real challenges you will face, break them down into simple steps, and give you actionable solutions to help you create a thriving business while balancing your 9-to-5. What you will learn: how to define your vision and set smart goals, proven time management strategies to balance your job and side hustle, financial tips to build your safety net and grow your business smartly, the step-by-step plan to transition to full-time entrepreneurship, packed with real-life examples, inspiring stories, and humor. This video will empower you to take control of your future. Plus, learn how my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services can help you crush your 2025 goals. And join an amazing online community of go-getters just like you. Let's make 2025 the year you become your own boss. Sign up for my coaching services now. Click the link in the description below to get started. Imagine yourself sitting at a desk with a boss mug with your name on it, in a bright background with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey there, dreamers and doers. If you have been grinding away at your 9-to-5 while secretly dreaming of turning your side hustle into a full-time business, this is your moment. Today, we are diving into how to go from part-time passion to full-time boss in 2025. I will break down the challenges, give you actionable solutions, and share real-life stories of people who have done it. Plus, stick around till the end to learn how my masterclasses, coaching services, and online community can help you make the leap confidently. Let's get started. Section 1. Defining your vision and goals. The problem: many people start a side hustle without a clear vision of where they want it to go. Without clear goals, it is easy to feel stuck or lose momentum. Solution 1. Get crystal clear on your why. For example, Sarah started selling handmade jewelry as a hobby. But when she realized her dream was to build a brand that empowers women, her passion ignited. Think of your why as your GPS. Without it, you are just wandering and probably running out of snacks. Here in action step, write down why your side hustle matters to you and what success looks like in 2025. Solution: to set smart goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to make more money," Alex set a goal to earn $5,000 a month. From his digital marketing side hustle by Q3 2025, specific goals are not just for New Year's resolutions, they are for future bosses like you. Here in action step, break your goal into smart steps: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Solution 3. Create a vision board. For example, Mike, a fitness coach, visualized his dream studio, income, and lifestyle through a vision board, which kept him motivated. Cutting out pictures of mansions and private jets. Totally normal boss behavior. Here, an action step: grab magazines, scissors, and glue, and make a vision board that excites you about your future. Section 2. Managing time between work and side hustle. The problem: balancing a full-time job and a side hustle can feel overwhelming. There is never enough time in the day. The solution: master time blocking. For example, Rachel dedicated 6 to 8 p.m. every weekday to her wedding planning business, ensuring steady progress without burnout. If Beyoncé has the same 24 hours in a day, so do you. Time to run the world? Here in action step, use a planner or app to block out dedicated side hustle hours. Treat it like an important meeting. Solution: to prioritize and automate. For example, Alex automated his e-commerce store emails, freeing up hours each week for creative work. Automation is like hiring a robot assistant, except it does not ask for coffee breaks. Here in action step, identify repetitive tasks in your side hustle and use tools like Zapier or email automation to handle them. Solution 3. Outsource small tasks. For example, Sarah hired a virtual assistant to handle social media scheduling, giving her more time to focus on product creation. Delegating tasks is your first step to feeling like a boss without the stress of being one-man band. Here in action step, list small tasks you can outsource and explore platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find affordable help. Section 3. Overcoming financial challenges. The problem: many aspiring entrepreneurs fear the financial risks of leaving a steady paycheck. The solution: build an emergency fund. For example, Mike saved 6 months' worth of expenses, before transitioning to his full-time photography business. Think of your emergency fund as your business parachute. It is better to have one than to freefall. Here is an action step. Set a savings goal and commit to putting aside a percentage of your side hustle income weekly. Solution to start small, scale smart. For example, Rachel began her online clothing store with a limited inventory to test demand before investing heavily. You do not need to launch with an empire. Rome was not built in a day, but it did start with a blueprint. Here, an action step: focus on minimal viable products (MVPs) to test the market before scaling. Solution 3. Diversify income streams. For example, Alex offered workshops alongside his digital marketing services, ensuring steady income while growing his client base. Why have one golden egg when you can have a whole flock of geese laying them? Here is an action step: brainstorm additional revenue streams that complement your side hustle. Section 4. Transitioning to full-time boss. The problem: leaving the security of a 9-to-5 job can feel terrifying, especially without a clear exit strategy. The solution: create a transition plan. For example, Sarah planned her exit by setting a timeline, saving money, and securing a steady client base. Quitting cold turkey is for sandwiches, not your career. Here, an action step: write down a timeline with clear milestones like income goal before leaving your job. Solution to test your business on weekends. For example, Mike ran fitness boot camps on weekends, ensuring consistent demand before going full-time. If people show up to your Saturday class, they will probably show up Monday too. Here, an action step: run small-scale tests of your business model to gauge and make adjustments. Solution 3. Mentorship and coaching. For example, Rachel joined a coaching program to learn best practices for growing her online boutique. Every Batman needs an Alfred. You are the hero, but even heroes need guidance. Here, an action step: sign up for a coaching program like mine to get personalized advice, accountability, and resources for your journey. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling warmly with upbeat music playing in the background. This can all be possible right now. Click the link in the description below to get started. Making the leap from side hustle to full-time boss is a big step, but it is also the most exciting one you will ever take. With the right plan, mindset, and support, you can build the life you have been dreaming of. And guess what? You don't have to do it alone. My self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one sessions are here to guide you every step of the way. Plus, our online community is filled with people just like you, cheering each other on. Click the link below to learn more, and let's turn your side hustle into your dream business. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready to make 2025 amazing. You have got this.